Hello all, welcome to SQL Code Writing. Today we can check code is function in SQL. So code is function returns the first normal value in a given list. Okay, so we have one table, customer table. Customer table contains customer ID, first name, middle name, last name. Okay, and we want to write a query to find the first normal value from first name, middle name, last name, and we can alias that as E. So in customer ID 1, first name is null, so we want to display middle name. In case of customer ID 2, first name is existing, so we want to display first name. 3 also same like, and customer ID 4, first name and middle name is null, so we want to display last name. Okay, so we want an output like this. Okay, so in this case, we can use the police function. So we can give a select from customer here we can give a customer ID comma then we can give the code C. Code C. Here we can give the parameters. We want to first check first name comma, next we want middle name. So first name is not null, then it will display middle name. If middle name also null, then it will display last name. Okay, here we can give the alias name as E. Okay, we can just execute this. Now we will get the output. We can run both the queries. Okay, so customer ID 1 we are getting James, customer ID 2 we are getting Deepthi, customer ID 3 Manoj, and customer ID 4 Kiran, and customer ID 5 Sach. Okay, thank you.